Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and right here we have to tap on About Phone, which should be at the very top. I know it may be quite confusing, but all we have to do here is to simply keep tapping on the MIUI version. It is because we have to activate the section in which we can find proper options. So let me keep tapping on it. Let's keep tapping until you will see that you're in the developer mode. Be aware that your device may require your secret code, the screen lock, if you've got one currently set. So now we can go back to the general settings, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on additional settings. Now let's scroll down again and enter developer options. If you'd like to, just a quick disclaimer, if you'd like to learn more about the developer options, how to use them, how to activate particular options, then let's check our tutorial of how to enable them, how to customize them and so on. We've got it on our channel, so I highly recommend to simply check it, and then of course after watching this video. So let's enter the developer options, and basically here all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on your device will be allowed to apply the updates, but when it will be restarted. So you don't have to remember about manually updating the system, your device, but remember to restart it from time to time. So you will give the device the opportunity to actually update itself. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So actually that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.